Hello and welcome to the next episode of Bobcat Vlog. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, click on the description below and check out exciting offers. Today, we will be discussing about the health benefits of sprouting and why we must have them regularly. It's known to us that for optimum health, we must have options for all core food groups. Green leafy vegetables, fruits, pulses, and legumes in plenty. Sprouts too are something which we should be having regularly. The germination process begins when any seed is soaked in water for a specific number of hours with access to the right temperature, shade, and environment. While many of us have found memories of sprouting beans at home, many other seeds and grains such as certain lentils, soybeans, kidney beans, brown rice, quinoa, and oats can also be germinated. Many individuals like eating leafy sprout varieties of vegetables like broccoli, radish, mustard greens, numerous types of nuts, and seeds which can also be germinated. Sprouts, which are often consumed raw or cooked, can enhance nutrient absorption of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant profiles that are beneficial. They are not only a nutritional powerhouse, but their advantages for our health would also persuade us to include them in our diet. Beneficial for digestion. Phytic acid, which is contained in the membrane, restricts the presence of digestive enzyme within the seeds, can be removed by sprouting leguminous seeds and vegetables. Now, many of the crucial enzymes found in seeds support digestion, regulate metabolism, and enhance chemical changes in the stomach that occur when we digest food. When the food is digested, the enzyme also breaks it down more completely, which improves our ability to absorb nutrients. Not to mention, sprouting legumes are cruciferous vegetables adds dietary fiber to the seed, which helps the body get rid of toxins and maintains a healthy, clean stomach. Helps with weight loss. While having high-quality fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds is essential for optimum weight loss, sprouts are also a nutritious food to consume. In addition to being rich in beneficial nutrients, they are also low in calories, which is a key factor that is why many Weight Watchers prefer to eat them as snacks. Additionally, the essential prerequisite fiber in sprouted grains can also help us feel full and prevent the release of ghrelin, a key appetite hormone. We should add sprouted beans and fresh herbs in our diet if we want to lose weight. Enhances blood circulation and immunity. Sprouts are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, copper, manganese, and potassium. Helps the body produce more red blood cells, encourage blood flow, and most importantly, supply oxygen-rich healthy blood to important organs. Similar to this, it is known that the germination of seeds and pulses increases the level of vitamin C and antioxidant profiles. Which boosts white blood cells and the immune system and reduce the likelihood of diseases and infections. Enhances cardiac wellness. Some sprouts have beneficial omega-3 fatty acids that lower the body's dangerously high amount of bad cholesterol, which is detrimental for our health. If consumed consistently, the anti-inflammatory characteristics also assist lower oxidative stress and lower the chance of developing cardiovascular issues. Make sure to consume a lot of them in your diet. Encourages health and skin care. Sprouts have a great source of antioxidants, vitamin C and A, and other nutrients that are excellent for our health. According to study, vitamin A promotes cell renewal, hair follicle growth, and skin hydration. Meanwhile, zinc might increase the amount of sebum in your scalp. They are therefore fantastic for your skin and overall wellness. Possesses anti-cancer qualities. We are aware that sprouting has numerous benefits. Germinations and sprouting produce large amounts of glucoraphanin, an essential enzyme that guards against certain malignancies. Do you still need an excuse to eat sprout? Start today.